But let's say we want to add just these first, we want to add a tag to these guys. So we just click on this tag button right here, click add a tag, and let's add the tag to be special offer. What's the action? You're going to add a tag. This is just for future reference when you're reporting. All right, so we just added that special tag. So I'm going to go back to all, and I'm going to filter by tag. Is offer was special offer. There are the 40 records that I added with special offer. Let's say I want to create a smart list from that. Okay, no problem. Click down here at the bottom, says save as smart list. Call that special offer. And now you have a special offer smart list right there. So if you're doing this for yourself or for your agency, or maybe you want to segment these guys for a special pipeline or special workflow, then there you go. You can set that apart for those people. If this is for your client, you could go in there and have when a tag is added, create that special offer tag or whatever you want to call it. Just remember to save it as a smart list. Okay.